Now, as a dad of a young daughter, I'm even more aware of the issues and addictiveness of many platforms designed to get their users hooked. Just like drug dealers give away free samples, many digital platforms use dark patterns and explicitly try to increase screen time. A particularly concerning element in this ecosystem is the prevalence of loot boxes in video games. These randomized reward mechanisms have structural similarities to gambling and affect a significant portion of children who play video games. While some countries have opted for industry self regulation rather than expanding gambling legislation, we must remain vigilant about these mechanisms that leverage psychological vulnerabilities to generate revenue. So I believe we must focus on three key areas. First, we must shift from blaming the EU to creating systems that are safe by design. This means requiring platforms to implement enforced age verification systems that protect privacy, without creating centralized databases of children's information that could become security risks.